Hi there, it's Simone from Spine Pilates, and it's been a minute, and yes, I'm back. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell for future notifications, and don't forget to leave me a comment. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some foam roller exercises, and of course, I'm going to be adding that Pilates element. All right, so if that's something you want to see, stick around and let's go. Hi there, and welcome to this foam roller Pilates inspired workout. So to get started, we're going to start out with a little bit of back extensions over the foam roller. So you're going to turn around with your back against the foam roller. You're going to sit up nice and tall, and we're going to inhale and exhale, and we're going to rock your pelvis back. And as you hit the foam roller with that bra line, you just come into a nice extension. Nod the head. And from there, you're going to use your abs to bring you back up and flex and lengthen from tail to head. One more time. We're going to exhale, rock our pelvis back. You can reach the arms out if you so wish. Circle the arms around and roll back up. One more time. Rock it back. Flip the arms back or around, nod, and bring it back up. So if you're doing that and you do not want to go into such a big extension and have an extension or your head going all the way back, you can always place the hands right behind your head. Rock that pelvis back, make contact with the foam roller, and just gonna lift through the ribs, right? Just lift through the chest right there. And you can come right back up. Right here. You can stay right here, or you can just open, pull your tummy in, and deepen the C curve in your lower back as you flex forward and lengthen back up. Now from there, we're going to swing the legs around, mermaid the legs, and we're going to take it into a little bit of a lateral flexion, a little side bend. All right, so we're going to inhale and exhale. We're going to reach over and pull ourselves back up. Exhale, reach 2 and pull ourselves back up. One more, exhale and reach 3. And now we're going to turn to that foam roller, move that left hand backwards, and we're going to reach and pull ourselves up. All right, so we're going to get a deeper stretch right here on the reach. Reach it away and pull it back up and reach. I like when I reach that I'm not lifting that knee, right? When I reach as far as you can maintain that stability. And reach now, place that left hand back to the center and pull yourself right back up. All right, let's switch it to the other side. All right, we're gonna sit up nice and tall, square those hips. All right, so from there, we're gonna inhale and we're gonna exhale and reach over and back up. Good. Exhale, we reach for 2 and back up, and make sure that when you're reaching, you're not collapsing into that shoulder. You're staying nice and strong in that arm. Turn to the foam roller. Here we go, and we're gonna reach a little further out and pull ourselves back up, and reach a little further 2 and pull ourselves back up. One more, and 3 and pull ourselves back up. Move that hand back to center and pull ourselves right back up. Now from there, we're going to swing the legs around, place them on top of our foam roller, and now we're going to reach the arms and roll all the way down. All right, so from there, we're going to reposition. We're going to make sure that the foam roller is right under the feet. All right, so from here, we're going to inhale, and I want you to open the knees out, press the foam roller away, and pull the foam roller back in. So we're going to open up those hips. Open, press away, zip in through center, and pulling the foam roller back in. We open. When you press away, right here, you make sure that you're zipping through that belly button, zipping that tummy in as you pull. Because even just to pull the foam roller, that's a lot of lower ab work right there. All right, so make sure that you're prepared for it. Open those knees, reach, and pull it back in. Now, put on the foam roller close to the bum, close to your bottom. We're going to inhale, feet are on top. You're going to exhale, rock your pelvis back and forth right here. Warm up your lower back, rock it back, rock it forth. Now exhale, tuck, and we're going to roll the hips up. Squeeze in right here. Inhale, hold at the top. glutes are engaged, hamstrings are on. Inhale, hold, and now exhale, we're gonna roll it back down one vertebrae at a time and come right back into neutral spine right there. All right, so here we go. We're gonna tuck, we're gonna roll it up, letting you see the lower back. Inhale, good, exhale, we're gonna roll it back down. Knees are going straight ahead, no floating out to the side. We're gonna work those inner thighs as well, activate them. Exhale, roll it up one more time. Now inhale, hold. We're gonna give ourselves 5 little pushes forward. So here we go. 5, hamstrings right there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in, and here we go. We're gonna roll it down one vertebrae at a time. Again, you do not have to do those push out. You can change it up a little bit. Here we go. Exhale, rock it back, roll it up, hold right here, and now I'm gonna tabletop one leg, pull it back down, and tabletop the other. Put it back down, and we're gonna roll down one vertebrae at a time. So if you find that the hamstrings are gripping a little bit too much, right, you can just move that foam roller away as you're doing these, and inhale, exhale, rock that pelvis back, roll the hips up, less hamstrings right here, right? Here we go, tabletop. Inhale, place it back down, exhale, inhale, place it back down. Glutes are on. Now exhale, we're rolling down one vertebrae at a time and come right into neutral. All right, so from there, we're gonna bring ourselves up. So we're gonna reach those legs up, swing them around. I'm gonna come on all fours. And I like to use a foam roller here also for a little bit of a plank, right? So we're gonna reach the hands on top of the foam roller. We're gonna reach the legs back. We're gonna take those hips up. We're gonna squeeze the inner thighs together, and we're gonna hold that plank right there, zipping through the belly button, pulling our abs in. We're gonna inhale here, and of course, I need you to keep those elbows nice and soft, right? Elbows nice and soft. Inhale and exhale. So if you wanna just be walking with those legs coming in, tap them in. Whatever you wanna do right there to challenge yourselves. You wanna tap the toes out. That works too. You can even bring the legs up while you're in that plank, or you can just hold it right here. Inhale. So again, it all depends on how comfortable you feel on the foam roller. If you feel like this is a little bit unstable, you can always get off your foam roller, right? You can always get off your foam roller and just do it a basic, a regular plank off the foam roller, or even on your forearms, right? So you're gonna maybe go 10 seconds, and you're gonna work up to like 15, then 20, 25, and just see how much you can do on the forearms, or you can just do it without the foam roller. All right, we're gonna take the knees down, and we're gonna push back into a nice child's pose right here. Inhale, and exhale. And if you have the foam roller, you can always just place the head, the forward right on top as you bring those arms back. Shoulders will collapse forward, palms are up, arms are right by your shins. So just relax the arms, the wrists, the shoulders. All right, right there. Inhale and exhale. And now you're gonna lengthen back up from tail to head. You can take the hips up, and you can just work that foam roller along the back. All right, work that foam roller along the back. Inhale and exhaling out. All right, so from there we're gonna roll it back down. Good. And again, deepen the C curve in the lower back. You can even reach the arms right here and pull yourself right back up. All right, now from there we are going to go on top of the foam roller just for a little bit. So again, if this is something that you're not comfortable with, you do not have to do it on top of the foam roller. Everything that we're doing right now, you can do on the ground, on your mat, without any foam roller, without any props at all. Just make sure that you're comfortable and you're able to hold that imprinted spine, all right? If you like this video and you would like some more foam roller exercises, I do have another video which I'll link it in the description or right here. All right, so let's go on top of the foam roller, and again, if you're not comfortable, just take it down and no foam roller, all right? So from there, we're gonna take our foam roller and place it parallel to our mat. All right, and from there, we're gonna go to the end of our mat, of our foam roller. Place both hands out to the sides for balance, and we're gonna use our abs to roll us down one vertebrae at a time. All right, so from there, you wanna make sure that you are supported on the foam roller. You wanna make sure that your head is supported, your tailbone is supported, and your spine is supported. So it's gonna be pretty much the center of your spine for the foam roller. All right, now from there, we're gonna imprint our spine, and we go a lot through what an imprinted spine is from the Pilates Beginners Guide that I do have, and I'm gonna link that one also. All right, just so that you can see where the pelvis needs to be protected. All right, so we're gonna rock the pelvis back and make sure there's no space in that lower back. The arms are gonna stay out in that 90 degrees or flexed on the mat. We're gonna tabletop one leg, and then we're gonna take the other leg up. All right, so from there, we're gonna make sure that no tension, the rib cage is making contact with that mat. We're gonna tabletop those legs, and I'm gonna alternate toes going down. So again, you do not have to tap the toe down all the way. You can go halfway. So halfway might be where you need to start, right? Halfway might be where you need to start. Take it a little further each time, a little further each time, and in. Now we're gonna flex the ankles right here. We're gonna inhale, now here we go. Heels are going way and down. So again, not too far, because if you feel that back beginning to pop, that means we're a little bit too far away from the foam roller with the lower back, right? We want to stay nice and tucked in there. Good. Exhale. So we're gonna do 10 of these. Good. And release. So we can take the legs down for a second. Just in case the hip flexors are getting tight, you're gonna release the lower back. Inhale and get ready again. I'm gonna reach my arms up top so you can see my lower back. I'm gonna rock my pelvis back, imprint my spine, right? So rock my pelvis back, imprint my spine. I'm gonna place my hands again on the mat for balance. I'm gonna tabletop the legs. All right, now from there, we're gonna reach the legs out. So reach them out, 1, and in. Reach it out, 2, reach it out, 3, reach it out, 4, legs together, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it right there. Now here we go. We're gonna cross those legs, right? Like a little scissor or a little cross. Good. Alternating. Nice and taut in those legs, nice and straight. Pulling up on the kneecaps. Not too wide, or else we're gonna be rocking all over the foam roller, right? So, and hold. All right, we're gonna bend the knees, release the legs down, and release the lower back. Excellent. From here, we are going to come on up and get into a quadruped position and use the foam roller to bring ourselves into a pike, working those lower abs, and again, some upper body stability and strength as well. All right, so we roll on off that foam roller and let's get going. All right, so from there, we are going to come into that quadruped position. All right. And from there, I'm gonna have you place that foam roller right below the patella, right below your kneecaps, all right? So if you notice here, my hips are gonna be open. Let's hopefully my shirt is not in the way. All right, so from here, inhale, my back is, should be nice and straight from my head to my knee. All right, and my elbows again are gonna be nice and soft. All right, so not locked and rigid. All right, so from here, we're gonna go into that pike. All right, here we go. Exhale, pull up, 1, and reach. Exhale, pull up, 2, and reach. And lengthen. 4. So again, a part of how we get this pike going, you can't be too heavy on your shins, right? You gotta allow the foam roller to roll. right? Gotta allow the foam roller to roll. Pull it up. So think of pulling your tailbone up, up, up to the sky. Good. And lift. Good. One more. And lift. Good. And release. All right, now from there, carefully get off your foam roller. Either go forward or back. And you're gonna get into that nice child's pose again. All right, so right into that nice child's. Down we go. Reach those arms right by the shins. Thumbs up. Inhale, and if the head allows it, you can go down. Just go right down there, or just keep it hanging, or just come on up and keep it into a shallow stretch right here. Inhale. And exhale. All right, so from there, we're gonna take it into a little bit of a cat. So roll it up. Inhale at the top. And lengthen back out. And again, top. Inhale. And lengthen back out. One more time, top. Inhale. And lengthen back out. All right, so there you have it. We went through a little bit of a foam roller routine that we go through on a regular basis in our classes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for future notifications, and leave me a comment. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.